Ohola ufakazi u-Advocate Hasim uchaze ngobufakazi obuphathelene noKhan okufaka phakathi udaba oluhlobene nokukhishwa kwamathenda, izinsolo zokusetshenziswa budedengu kwamandla kanye nohambo olwalungagunyaziwe laseLondon lowayeyisikhulu kumkhandlu udolobha waseGruleni iMorgan Mashazi olwadla u-3.5 million amarandi ngo-2022. Kulobu bufakazi kuvela ukuthi uKhan usondelene nesikhulu senkampani kagwayi iKhanlex Mohammed Said esolwa ngezenzo zokukhwabanisa nokudayisa ugwayi ongumbombayi. U-Advocate Hasim ubeseveza imiyalezo kaWhatsApp lapho uKhan ayixhumana khona noSaid nekhombisa ukuthi wabelana ngolwazi langaphakathi mayelana nethenda yokukhishwa kwempahla yokuvikela ku-SAPS ngesikhathi sobhubhane lwe-COVID-19 ngo-2021 ngenhloso yokuthi athole ithenda.
Mr. Sayed says we need to get an order in this week while the need for PPE is still in season. And General Khan says, I agree. Mr. Sayed responds, Brew, I need email address of pilot. And General Khan then sends him the email address. The second series of screenshots is General Khan providing information that's relevant for this tender. It's not clear to me that this is internal private SAPS information, but it is intended to assist Mr. Sayed in the process of securing the tender.
Ikhomishana ithi obunye obufakazi obuthinta uKhan buzofundwa esithe ngenxa yokuba bucayi nokuthi kunolunye uphenyo oluqhubekayo emaphoyiseni.